Okay, so let's get the shipping price as quickly as we can. So we're going to use this information over here, and we're going to use a marketplace called Freightos. Now there's a number of different ways that you can actually get the price of shipping, but this is by far the most effective and in fact the cheapest that I've seen to get the price of shipping. And I'm currently actually in talks with Freightos to see if I can get at least $50 to $100 off your first shipping. If I have done so, you'll either get a coupon code or a link in the description. Make sure you click on that link and get your discount when you sign up. So all you need to do here is just click on the right section here. It says click to Amazon FBA. And what that does is Freightos now knows that we are shipping all of our products to Amazon. So they will do all of the legwork in terms of picking up from the location that we want to pick it up from and getting it to its destination, including booking a slot to deliver in Amazon FBA's warehouse, because Amazon have specific slots as to when and where you can actually go and drop your shipping. Let's fill in the information over here. This is the information that we already have. So what we do is, this is asking for how many boxes. So we go back to our supplier tracking, and as you can see, the number of cartons, which is the same as boxes, is 100. So we put that information over here, 100. What is the length, width, and height of the box? So we have that information here, 30 by 30 by 40. So that will be in centimeters, as you can see. So that's 30 by 30 by 40. And make sure you don't get this confused or mixed up. Keep it in centimeters. And then you've got the unit weight. Unit weight means how much does one of these boxes or cartons weigh. So we have this information here. It's 5 kilograms. So we'll put 5 here, and we know it's in kilograms. Cool. So all we do is click next. There's a section here on Amazon FBA packing requirements, which I will talk you through. Who is labeling your boxes? It's going to be you or the supplier. So it's essentially the supplier. We'll give them the information on how to and what to do when labeling the boxes. Who's placing your box on pallets? Most of the time when you're doing a first order and it's very small, when you're ordering only 500 or 250 units or sets, for instance, this will not be applicable. So then they want to know the origin. So where is this actually coming from? Where is the shipment coming from? So we need to use the drop-down list and select the FOB port in China. And as we know already from here, the FOB port in China is Ningbo. So what we will do is put in Ningbo over here. You can see the airport and the shipping port. So let's select the shipping port. Ready to pick up date, that doesn't really matter. It's all we're doing right at the moment is getting a quote. What you could do is just put the end of the following month, so allow at least a month. And the destination is going to be an Amazon FBA warehouse in the United States. We'll pick this warehouse as I know that this is in the middle of the United States, which would be one of the most expensive places to try and get it to. Doesn't mean that the shipment is going to be expensive. It means that we are going to get a quote that is very realistic, probably going to be less than what we're actually going to pay. So just pick this one here. So you can literally just type in 60433 and hit next. So then you have the customs and additional services. So do we want customs brokerage? Yes, we want customs brokerage for one commodity. Commodity essentially means one set of products. Do we need a customs bond? Yes. And all we need to do here is, this will be in US dollars if you're in the US, it will be GBP if you're in the UK. So you have your price here. So this is $1.40, the price for 100 cups, which is the amount of cups that you're going to put in a set. So all you do is $1.40 times 500, which is $700. So all you would do is put in either $700 here, or you'd put the equivalent. So let's just put in 700 just for this example and hit select. We're going to use the single import. This is one import just for your first one. So just so you know, duties and taxes are not included, which we will talk through in the next video. So here's additional details. If this is a hazardous shipment, we would put that over here, but with our business model, this is highly unlikely that we're going to do anything to do with batteries or liquids. This is a personal shipment. No, it is not, because you're sending it and you're selling it online and it's going to be a business. Are you a foreign importer? Yes, you are. So if we hover over this, If you're based in a country that's different to where you're shipping to, you'll need to register as a foreign importer, and that is highly likely for absolutely everybody. A known shipper is something slightly different. We are a foreign importer. Always add insurance to cover all of your goods, so if the ship sinks or anything actually happens, you're covered for that. So all you need to do is hit the search and book button. So here's a list of prices and shipping companies that will take your shipment. I usually order by cheapest. And make sure you check the reviews over here. If there are 3 stars or less, or even 3.5 stars or less, I am unlikely to use them. But most, as you will see, are very highly rated. This I wouldn't use. I have actually used this company in the past and had great experiences and a couple of medium experiences. I've used CBay and had a fantastic experience with these guys. They are absolutely amazing. So what you can do is you can save this quote. You can actually see the price breakdown of this to understand how it actually works if you wanted to, but that's how you get your shipping quote. Hit the save button, or if you're ready to book, or when you're ready to book, all you need to do is select, put in your information, and then just follow the instructions to book it all. Freightos are a great website. Their customer service is absolutely phenomenal. I have great conversations with them all the time. Here is their customer support numbers. One's based in the US and one's based in the UK. They are super helpful. If you have any shipping questions or something you don't understand about shipping, ring them up and they will give you the information that you need. And that's how you get the price of shipping.